Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm also good. And in this video, I'm going to welcome you guys. And in this video, so firstly, I would like to introduce of today's session. So in this session, we will talk some discussion about some questions of SAT. Okay, so this is this session is going to discuss some questions that is previous question of SAT exam. Okay, so let's discuss the first question, the question number one. So what question number says? Basically, we will do some problems. Like first, we will understand the problems, and we will discuss about the concept that is using in the solution. Okay. So in the first question, as you can see on the screen, if 16x plus 14 is 10 more than 14, what is the value of 8x? I hope you have done this. And what is the answer? Let's see. So the solution is going on. Okay, so if I will ask from you, what is the meaning of 10 more than 14? 10 more than 14. Like, suppose this is 10 more than 14. What is the meaning of that? Because definitely there is some equation and you need to find the value of 8x. Okay, so this is the question. And the term is using here 10 more than 14. What is the meaning of that? It means 10 plus 14 is equal to 24, means 10 more than 14. 10 plus 14 is equal to 24. So this is the meaning of 10 more than 14, because in mathematics, like if I have term a more than b, so in mathematics its meaning is addition. Basically we will adding some value a plus some value a plus b is equal to some value a plus b. Okay, so this is the meaning of 10 more than 14. Okay, let's solve the question, what the question uh, saying and what the condition will be creating here. So 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 14. So 10 more than 14 is 24. 10 more than 14 is equal to 24. Okay, the second condition is 16 plus 14. Basically, the question saying 16x plus 4 is 10 more than 14. So this is 24. And so sorry, this is 4x. I'm sorry, this is 4x. Okay, this is 4x. In the by according to the question, this is nothing but 4x. Okay, this is 4x. Okay, so by solve 24 minus 16, so this is what, this is 8. So 4x is equal to 8. So I need to find 8x. So this is my equation number 2, and I am going to multiply 2 with equation 1. So it is going to happen multiplying equation number 2. So this is your equation number 1. Equation number 1. This is 4x plus 4x is equal to 18. We are multiplying 2 and here also. So this is 8x is equal to, this is what, 16. So the value of 8x is 16. I hope this is clear to you. So this is option C is correct. Okay, let's move to the question number 2, and that is also very important question. This is your question number 2. Basically this is the question belongs in coordinate. Okay, and basically this is very important question in measurement of lines, angles. Okay, so this is the question. In the figure there is a figure that is given. So here there are there are two parallel lines L and M. Okay, these two are parallel line, L and M are parallel, and there is also two another parallel line S and T also. And if the measure of angle 1 is 35, the angle 1 is given 35, the angle 1 is equal to 35, that is given. What is the measure of angle 2? The basically question is what will be the angle 2? This is your objective. Okay. So how we will solve this question? Let's see how we will solve it. Here the L is parallel to M, means I can say L is parallel to M, means the angle 1, that is angle 1, that is made by the S and L, T and L, and the angle is made by the S and L. Angle made by L and S is equal to angle 1, means that angle is equal to be that angle by the property of parallelness, basically because L is parallel to M, because the angle one angle is made by the line T and line S. So basically the angle 1 is equal to, I am taking the name of this angle, suppose this is P, so this is angle P. This is my equation number first. So I can say the angle P is equal to angle 1 is equal to 35 degree. Okay, this is 35 degree. So I can say my angle P is 35 degree. Okay, okay. We have given also there is another parallel line S and T. So my angle P is 35 again. Okay, because also we have S is parallel to T, so I can see the angle P is nothing but it is going to equal the angle P is equal to that angle that is made by the M line and S line. Then angle P is equal to angle made by the line M and S. So just suppose I am giving this angle name is Q. So here I can see the angle P is equal to angle Q, and we have idea about the angle P, that is given 35 degree. So this is angle Q is equal to 35 degree also. Okay, so this is the angle Q that is given. Okay, I need to find the angle 2. Okay, so I have idea the whole angle. This is whole angle is going to be 180 degree. Okay, because this is the basically the straight line. So the angle between this and this is 180 degree. So basically I can see I can say that angle Q plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. We know that. Okay, because we have angle Q, so I can find angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus angle Q. So the 180 degree negative 35 degree, it is equal to, this is angle 2 is equal to 145 degree. Okay, so this is the question and that is the answer. Hope we are just using the properties of parallelness of two lines. So this is your option D is correct. Okay, let's move to question number 3. So basically here the question is very important and very easy question, that is from modulus. There is a modulus of n minus 1. So how we will solve this? This is modulus of n minus 1, modulus of n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so modulus of n minus 1, and I need to find the value of n. My motivation is, what is the value of n? So here n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, that is given. Okay, so n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, it means n minus 1 is equal to minus 1. See, the properties of modulus says modulus modulus of x, if any number x, the modulus of x is always greater than or equal to 0. So means I can say that n minus 1 always be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, but the equation 1 says it is equal to minus 1. That can be correct, means, is it possible? Is it possible? First, try to think first, please. Is it possible a modulus value of n minus 1 is equal to minus 1? I think never, because we know the property. We know that property. We can say that here, not possible. Not possible for any value of n. Means such n does not exist like that. So D option is correct. That is very easy question. Okay, let's move to question number 4, and that is also very easy. Which of the following number is not the solution of the inequality? We have inequality, that is 3x minus 5 is greater than equal to 4x minus 3. So I need to calculate the condition on x, what condition of x is saying, and I need to verify whether which x is not following these inequalities. Okay, so this is 3x minus 5, so I can say that this is minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 3x minus 3. This is minus 5 plus 3 is greater than equal to 4x minus 3x. This is minus of 2 is equal to x. So I can say that my conclusion is minus 2, x is less than or equal to minus 2. Means my x should be less than or equal to minus 2. For satisfying this condition, for following, for being a solution of this inequality, I need to take my x is less than or equal to minus 2. If any x if any x doesn't follow that condition, that value does not that does not can be the solution of this inequality. So here x should be less than equal to minus 2, but here we have uh, one value, that is minus 1. If you will see the option number A, the minus 1, if you will take x is equal to minus 1, so definitely the minus 2 is not greater than equal to minus 1. So means 1 minus 1 is not solution of that inequality 3x minus 5 is greater than equal to 4x minus 3. So the answer is minus 1A. The last question is for you guys. I hope you will clear all these previous 4 questions. Let's solve the question number 5. Okay, so this is also question number 5, and that is also very easy questions, but I want that you need to try these questions, because uh, I'm I'm leaving these questions for you guys. If you will get the answer of this question, which option number is true of this question, then comment the solution, so that I will provide you some more questions on this exam, because I'm going to share all these important questions of SET exam. Okay, so try this question and comment the answer. Okay, comment the answer, whatever you will get the answer, try to comment. If you will get any support on any solution of any previous questions, then we will make another video also, So thank you so much for joining us. Bye bye. Take care.